Hello everyone, and welcome back to Useful How-To Videos. My name is Mike Sands, your guide to solving tech-related issues. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Today we're diving into the world of Logic Pro X, which is a fantastic DAW that allows you to create and produce music. Hey guys, so the purpose of this video today is just to show you how to record, how to transpose a set of, music or anything that you may have recorded using MIDI. So specifically using MIDI. And just as a have clarification, MIDI is actually data that you actually entered in the computer, and we're telling Logic that we want this data played using a specific sound. So think of it like that. MIDI is just simply data that you can manipulate. Okay, so yeah, the purpose of this video is we want to see how to transpose that data into a different key if ever the need arises. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a recording. Okay, and as a source of reference, in case you don't know how to add a MIDI, when you start Logic, you should see this window pop up asking you if you want to do a software instrument or audio drummer. So it's basically this software instrument here that you'll click, and once you click that, then it brings you back to this interface here, and then you can select the sound that you want to from the library here. Okay, so what you're seeing here is just different tracks that I've already created and I've already assigned a sound to. So I'm going to play a piece of music using a piano sound. Okay, and then we'll show you how to manipulate that data by transposing it to however or wherever you want to transpose it to. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's something I recorded. So now let's see how to transpose or manipulate that data. You can do so by simply double clicking on the piece of music. When you double click on it, now a piano roll window opens up. It shows you that if you look on the left hand side, you see where each note is. So for example, this particular note here is an A flat, and that's, I think it's below middle C. Okay, so for your source of reference, that's what's going on with that. So one way you can transpose, and I want to open the window big so make sure I can see all of it, is if you were to select all. One simple way really is if you were to drag it up or down however many times you want to transpose, and if you see that little window that says position, length, pitch B1, and then you see a number -2. That shows you how much is being transposed. Okay, it's been transposed down 3 from the original key that it was recorded in, down 4, etc. Okay, and back up, and vice versa if I were to go up. Okay, so that's one way of transposing or manipulating the data. The other way you can do it is if in that same piano roll window, now you see what the word function here, this word function. I think you can also do it with this function here, but since we have the window open, we're going to go to functions, and then we're going to go to MIDI transform. Under MIDI transform, now you have the flexibility of manipulating this data using all of these different features here: humanize, reverse position, reverse pitch, transposition. The one that we want is transposition. Okay, so we're going to select transposition, and then we're gonna look here, and then we want to tell it how much we want it to transpose to. Okay, so this 0 means don't move it at all. If you want it to be transposed down 3, then this is the way of indicating that. And you're gonna hit select, and operate means select it, and then carry out the task. Okay, so select and operate, and then we're gonna look in this window here, and you should see the notes go down 3. Okay, and in fact they go down 3. Okay, let's test it out, and you should hear the music 3 semitones lower. Okay. Okay. And it actually is lower. It actually is lower, guys. So in essence, we have transposed our the transpose our MIDI piece of music. And there you go, guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover in a future video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.